How to stop procrastinating in 5 minutes. Usually, the hardest part with procrastination is getting started. Once we're over that procrastination hump, it's easier for us to keep the momentum and keep going. Enter the 5-minute rule. This is a CBT technique to help us avoid procrastinating. What I want you to do is put a timer on your clock for 5 minutes and start doing the task you've been avoiding doing. After 5 minutes, if you see that it's super unpleasant or it's horrible for you, you can stop and you can do it guilt-free. Once we're in the task, it's easier for us to keep going and just finish the task all over. If you enjoyed this tip, sign up for a live class with me on Amphy to learn more about productivity.